Alright, welcome back to my channel. My name is Blair if you're new here, and today we're going to do a organized declutter. There's a few spaces I want to work on. So first off, we're going to work on a drawer in the bathroom that needs to be purged a little bit. And then I'm going to kind of work in my bedroom here. I want to empty out this bench over here, a storage bench, and some Tupperware underneath the bed, and then we're going to do my closet. So kind of a lot of pieces, but we're going to break it up and get it done so that way when I go to Goodwill tomorrow I can actually dispose of anything that needs to go. But we're going to start in the bathroom and kind of work our way in. All right, so we're going to work with this drawer here. Usually it's just medicines, toilet paper, and down here I have this basket of like hair tools and stuff. There's only like 3 pieces that I legit use on the regular. So I feel like it's time to empty this out. I don't really want to get rid of it because you'll never know when you're going to need some of this stuff for special occasions. So I think this stuff we're going to try to move to the bench out there and just keep the necessities in here. But I think to start, we're just going to empty this all out. I'm going to take most of it to my bed, except for the toilet paper. I think I'll leave in here, and probably these towels. Alright, I bought these off of Amazon. I bought them once before and then returned them because they didn't work for what I wanted, but this time I think this will be great to do the medicine stuff in. And then we can get rid of this basket and move it. So this bench has stuff in it. So there's some stuff in here that needs to go, things that I'm just not using. This was where I was keeping summer stuff, but I think we're going to move this under the bed. And then I'm going to use this to put the hair tools in so we can get them out of the bathroom. And then there's hair stuff in here that needs to be moved. I usually put excess products over here like toothpaste, and then I bought a crap ton of Band-Aids, so I have a bunch of those. There's also the shower curtain for Christmas, and then down here some artwork, pillows. So we're going to try to work on both of these components kind of at the same time. But this needs to be emptied so I can use this, I think, for hair tools maybe. I don't know. Let's see if this basket will fit in here.
Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind. I'm drenched in sunshine and good times, changing the station with an open mind. I don't want to sound selfish, but I'm not coming back. The highs of your touch like vertigo, it's a fight or flight rush, no way to take it slow. Got me feeling like I could breathe in space, in space. Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin, smile is kicking in, vibes are in the air, jumping everywhere, endless nights, 'cause summer's on my mind.
So we took care of the bathroom, took care of this. Next is going to be starting on some of the stuff under the bed so I can purge that and move summer stuff where it needs to go. Then we'll go to the closet because there's summer stuff I need to pull out too.
Someday never comes, road trips and shotguns, sunshine on my skin.
so far is all my donations. Those I need to put in the closet because I'm gonna wear those. So that's what we're left with. I will get a bag eventually for this, but that's all I'm keeping out of here so I can move summer stuff down. But I do need a duct tape or something, this lid. All right, let's try to get summer stuff out of here that needs to go in that. And then any t-shirts I'm not wearing because there's no point in holding on to them.
This dream that we jump in the car, we flip a coin or we follow the brightest star. We'll leave it all behind. Yeah, and I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no together, there are no wrong turns.
Let's do this side and then we'll come back.
You'll miss the exit and I'll just laugh. You'll drop slow and I'll keep talking fast. Faster than your ears can listen. Nothing out there that we're missing anyhow. I'll just follow your heart. Since we found each other, we'll never get lost. There are no wrong turns.
All right, I eliminated a lot up there. As you can see, ooh, my pile is growing. So we're gonna start on this side next and purge that. Okay. As much as I don't want to get rid of this because it's from my hometown, it really isn't comfortable because it's not like lined, so it's kind of, quite frankly, useless.
We're together, there are no wrong turns. Ride with you forever. When I'm with you, the road never ends. As long as there's love left to burn. You're falling asleep with a smile on your face and the passenger seat, so I don't want to wake you to ask where we're going, so I keep driving on.
Well, I'm being ruthless. I've emptied that out. I got rid of a bunch. However, I probably will need to buy a dress or two for future events. I'm gonna hang this one up in here. Do we have any without? This one over here for right now is because I want to remember to wear it before the season's over. So if I hang it on the side that I normally go in, I'm gonna see it. So closet's done. We've purged. I'm not gonna bother with pants today.
I ain't sleeping, just thinking again and again how good it feels to trust the wheel in your hands. Your eyes are my compass, without even knowing the way. I know we'll find it, 'cause with you I know there are no wrong turns. When we're together, there are no
So that was my decluttering session. I kind of want to do this like once a month, different areas throughout the house, just until it's all down to what I really need to keep. Because I've done the closet not that long ago, it feels like, but I definitely didn't get rid of as much as I did today. So I finally just, enough of holding on to stuff. Memories are memories. You don't need to have items to, remember that stuff. I hope you enjoyed watching me declutter. Maybe it inspired you to finally just get rid of those things that you keep holding on to for the what if days. Because quite frankly, they don't come. And if they do come, your style is probably different than what those items were anyway when it comes to clothes. So it's just time to get rid of them. But as always, I hope everyone enjoyed, and I hope everyone has a blessed day.